Assuming a PDCA approach, you should do this while implementing solutions.
What is check effectiveness and adjust as necessary?
A problem is defined as the gap between a current condition and this.
What is a target condition or standard?
Pictured here, this is used to better understand the scope of the problem and the details surrounding it.
What is a 5Y?
What is and is not analysis?
When you are considering the right level of problem to solve, you can use this word as a question to move up a level.
What is therefore?
This tool can be used to brainstorm potential causes of a problem.
What is a fishbone or Ishikawa diagram?
After a countermeasure has been shown to work in one area, we should consider doing this.
What is spreading the solution to other areas, if applicable?
When using this tool, we should always answer the question with the immediate cause.
What is the 5 Ys?
We sometimes use a pick chart to evaluate countermeasures. This is the formal name for the tool.
What is an impact effort matrix?
This chart might be used to understand the most important problem to solve by sorting the problems by frequency of occurrence.
What is a Pareto chart?
Before implementing countermeasures, we should always do this to confirm feasibility.
What is test them?
Thanks. That is our show for today.